Hey everyone, I am back for the second time today. Actually, it's not today, it's the next day technically because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. This video is announcing my new giveaway. And this month is all about alcohol. No, you will not be getting alcohol. We are obviously talking about alcohol markers and alcohol inks. Me. There's no we, it's just me. I've been wanting to do a giveaway with this kind of theme for a while. I found these Bic markers while I was out doing back to school shopping, or as I like to call it, back to studio shopping. I took my daughters to Staples to do some school shopping, and I got some stuff too. Shh, don't tell my husband. I found this whole thing here. It's Bic marking. There's 36 of them, and I just did a video of this. Go check it out. Basically, to enter the giveaway, you will need to watch all the videos in the playlist for the alcohol ink. And when I say alcohol ink, I'm including the actual ink droppers and the markers, and just anything kind of in that category, but I'm just going to say alcohol ink. You will need to comment on each video. You will need to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down on each video, and you will need to be subscribed to me. But yeah, so you need to do those 3 things, and you need to make sure that it's on each video in that playlist. So if you miss one, you're not counted, or if you subscribe and like but you don't leave a comment, then that doesn't count as an entry, and each comment counts as an entry. I do have a video already on DIY alcohol, make your own DIY alcohol inks with Sharpies. So I'm going to include that in the playlist, but just be aware that there's 2 of those videos, two on my channel, and one was from a few years ago, and it's just like, it's not a good video. There's lots of comments on it telling me how incompetent I am. They're valid comments, but nevertheless, so I won't put that one. I'll put the newest one because I did a revised version, a much shorter revised version in earlier this year. So I'll put that one in there. So you need to make sure that you watch that one. And then I just filmed one doing this. So it was how to use the markers, because I have a lot of people that tell me, oh, I want to get started in alcohol markers. It's the perfect video for how to get started in it without having to buy the inks, because it's like, where do I get the inks? And I don't want to spend that much money. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. This is the perfect solution. It's like Bic markers from Staples or from different places. This is a special edition. So I'm going to tomorrow to buy 2 of these packs because I have to buy one for my classes. And then I'm going to buy a pack to give away. I think I'm going to have 3 winners in this one. I'll definitely have more than 1. So there's more of a chance for you guys to win. I'm going to include the special paper you need. So, but check out that video that I have. It's all on how to get started. Very low stress and very little expense. So there's going to be a lot of fun videos that I'm going to do with regards to alcohol, and it's not going to be for those of you who may not be interested, it'll be used alongside some other things, and it's very similar to watercolor in some ways. So those of you who follow me because of my watercolor videos and stuff, you can still get some information. You might want to try alcohol ink markers. They're very fun. Then we're going to do some more with the DIY alcohol inks that I've done. And as you know, I also like to add more things as the giveaway goes on, as the month goes on. So right now I have, I'm definitely going to split up this set and give these away and some paper, but I'm sure there'll be some other things that I add in there. And I'm going to be comparing different alcohol markers and different alcohol ink, and we're going to look at lots of fun techniques. Make sure you are subscribed to me because I'm going to be having the giveaways every month, beginning of the month, and then at the end is the draw. Hint, I'm going to be having a watercolor giveaway coming up as well before the end of the year. So make sure that you are tuned to my channel. Click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of those videos. Bye-bye.